Hey there, just want to do a quick video review of the Yousky vacuum. First time using it. Nice design, very quiet. I didn't think the pole was as long as I wanted it to be or expected it would be. It's not as long as we need it, so I can't do the entire pool standing on the deck. I'll have to get in the pool if I want to do the whole pool. So no big deal, just not as long of a extension as I had hoped for. Probably my biggest complaint is I never really knew whether sediment around and kicking it up off the bottom or if it was actually vacuuming. And that's probably true of even a standard vacuum, but this just seemed to kick it up more frequently and trying to chase it down with the vacuum part of that pad. Picked up a decent amount of sediment here. Probably my biggest complaint is, so it's got this like backflow preventer flap, and this happened a couple times. As I'm pulling it out and letting it drain out of water, if I were to take this whole unit and tilt it to get more water out of it, this flap would open up and some of the sediment, the heavier sediment that wasn't up in the bag, would actually drain back into the pool, and that happened a couple times. So definitely not happy about that. But jury's still out on whether we'll keep it, but just wanted to throw that out for what it's worth. Have a good one.
So I have another one of these, but it is a different model, a brand name model that was 3 times the cost. This looks the same and acts exactly the same. It even comes with this nice little telescoping pole. You charge it in the back right here. Put it down inside the water. Hit the button. Take the top off. You just unscrew it, and the stuff's in the bag.
There you go, guys. As you guys can see, the pool is pretty clean right now, so there's not much that I'm picking up because I already put the robot in, but it is vacuuming right this moment. So let me see if I can find some leaves. Oh, I see a dirty spot right over here. I'll show you guys. This thing is no joke. Yeah, right over here there's some leaves. Take it out of the water, and I'm going to show you guys. All right. Let it drain all that water. Turn it off.
So we just got this pool vacuum and I'm gonna test it out. It's fully charged and I'm gonna turn it on. It's actually doing a great job. It is suctioning like it should, easy to use, and is relatively fast to charge.
I just vacuumed the pool. I went to go pull it out of the water and it drops all of the crap back in the water. Look at how much stuff there is. Like you can't get it out of the water without it dumping everything out. It all just comes floating out the side right there. All that work for nothing. It's all over back in the pool again.
The gasket is too big in order for this portion of the vacuum to seat properly. You can see when you push it in, you can't push it in all the way. It prevents it from sealing, and that's how this vacuum loses suction. The design flaw is in the thickness of this gasket.